Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to send files from phone to HP ELITEBOOK 855. So first open the browser and go into pairdrop.net. Now right here select this icon in the top right corner and scan the QR code. So let me do that. Scan it with your phone. Open. And as you can see, that's my phone and that's the computer. On your phone, click on your laptop and select photos and videos if you want to send the file. And now just find the file you want to send. So for example, a video or photo. So let me just find it. Now I select it. And as you can see, it appears right here. We can either accept or decline the photo. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.